Kaya naman naging 7 natin sa Kawanos, right? Yeah. Welcome to Norway. This is your first time?
Second time.
Second time. Tama-tama. Nasawa tayo ng Mayo. We are in the how I started in GMA, no? Way back 1978 ha. At yun ay May 7. At siyempre sinimula ko Germicide. Tapos naging German Special para sa GMA Special. Kaya may celebration tayo ngayon. And how about you, Nico?
Thank you so much, first of all, Kuya George, for inviting us over here. And that's your show, my web number one show.
Hindi mo number one, no? Gagawin mo ng number one. Sa Amerika, number one. Dito, pag madaling araw, number one din, no? Ganon, no?
Of course, and I would like to bring, of course, our producer from Guam, Mr. Jimwell.
Hello, sir. So, ano ang latest sa inyong grupo? Are you doing something a concert or meron pa kayong show na gagawin or what?
We'll be doing a show in Guam. To be produced by Mr. Jim Luciano very soon. Maybe on May.
Yes.
Parang pwede kami makasigit dyan, no?
Pwede.
Ako naman ang mag-guest sa inyo doon.
Pwede po.
Di ba? Gisingin natin yung mga nasa Guam, although gising naman sila lagi sa walang tulugan eh, di ba? Okay.
At pwede niyo po kami na puntahan, and we're inviting you to drop by Camelot Hotel every Wednesday.
And every Thursday at H2 Club, Malate.
And yes, and every Friday, the Sunday, Thunderbird Resort at La Union. Yes, Poro.
Nakagawa kayo ng album na siya.
And right now, we're coming out with an album.
Actually po, yung kanina po is our original song from the Moranos.
Yes. Masasalamat po yun sa inyong viewers.
Opo.
Kami nagpapasalamat sa inyo dahil nag-chat kami sa walang tulugan ng mga stasyon.
It's a pleasure.
And this album, release na or re-release na?
Malapit na po.
Malapit na. So, abangan na lamang natin. Abangan na. Pag lumabas na ako, babalik sila dito para ipakita natin ang album, right? So, thank you very much again. Ano pa nga